Hi, this is my ivy, and it's called also Hedera helix. And today I'm gonna show you how to propagate ivy plants. But before I start, I wanna say hi to my friend Boy Eusebio and to all my followers from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, to Jubilee Peeps, to Section 5 Friends and Forever, to Arellano University, Jose Abad Santos High School, Batch 8384, to Elementary Batch 7677 of my husband, who is from Bambang, Bulacan, Bulacan. To all my Facebook friends, thank you all. And I'm gonna show you how to propagate English ivy in proper way. This is the vine and the leaf node. We will put them direct to the soil, and when the bottom stem attached, that is the part is going to root. This is my ivy after 18 days. Oh yes, ivy is doing great and starting to grow. We have some new growth here. This one, other one, and that one. So if I can do it, you can do it too.